Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to put a text behind a person in a video on CapCut PC. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. If you want to go ahead and check out how to do this on mobile version of CapCut app, then you can go ahead to my other video. I'm going to link it down below. So to do this on PC, all you have to do first of all is import, of course, your video here. Now, once you have imported the video, you want to go ahead and drag it to the timeline. Now, you want to adjust your video, how long you want it to be. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like so. And now you want to go ahead to the text at the top and put a text here. So you want to write down what you want to. So for example, for today, let's write down subscribe and make this through the whole timeline. Now, once you have done that, you want to, of course, adjust it and maybe add some animations. So now what you want to do is go ahead to animation and add some fade in and fade out transitions. So you can choose whichever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and choose type 2. Also, you can change the duration if you want to. And out, maybe let's go ahead and choose something else. Maybe something like so. I'm just going to leave it. Now, once we have our text here, it will be on top of the person now. You want to go ahead and export it, click export and export this video. And choose maybe these resolution. You can also do a 4K if you want to have a really good resolution and just export it. Now, after this, you want to delete the text from here and import your video you just exported. Now what you will need to do is go ahead and add your video here, and this one without a text at the top, it will be just like an overlay. And you need to make sure that both of the videos are the same size. You can adjust it right here. So once they will be the same size, what you need to do is click on the top video, which doesn't have a text on it. And at the top, you will see remove background. And you can do auto removal or custom. I'm just going to try with auto removal and just wait a little bit for it to process this. It will cut out a person only. And now, as you can see, you have your video. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.